Wanna go for a walk? Wanna go for a walk? Wow, look at you. Go for the door. Go. Okay, yeah. Oh, you need me to open it. Okay. Oh man, you're so excited. Come. You are free. You're a naked dog. That's right, buddy. Here, but we gotta do this to go outside. All right. Oh, sure. I know. I'm so excited. Okay, good morning, everyone. I am going to wait till like 2 o'clock to do the yard because the clouds are going to be better. I looked at the forecast and it's going to be nicer. So we're going to film a dog walk instead. And I decided to wear this hat. I don't think I've worn this very often this season. Last year I wore this hat like all the time. This was like my uniform. And I filmed myself every day. So if you're around back then, you probably remember. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do the yard in a couple hours, and but that's not the end of the yard. Once I get the leaves done, my horrible yard has all the trees have these terrible seed pods that fall all the rest of the year. So it's like I'm not done raking my yard at all. This is just this is just the end of the leaves. But so yeah, after the seed pods start. So yeah, that's next. All right, and all right, let's look at Toby. Oh, we got a road closure. What is going on over here? There's something on my block. Little buddy is in a rush. Look at him. He's moving. Good job, buddy. Let's make this quick. Okay, so a little note on a change in the content. So you may have noticed or enjoyed the laundry videos I used to make. The washing machine is destroyed. It doesn't work anymore. It's broken. So yeah, that's why I haven't made any laundry videos. The laundry has been going over to my sister's house and getting done over there. So hopefully we'll be getting a new machine soon, and I'll resume the laundry videos because I like them. I like doing those to live concert vids because they don't get blocked, and I think they're pretty cool when I sync them and cut it, keep cool and everything, and wait for the sun to be in the right place to get the nice lighting. So so hopefully those will return when the washing machine gets replaced. The walks to the dispensary, the car got fixed. The reason I was walking to the dispensary for 3 weeks was because the car stopped working for 3 weeks, and that's also why I couldn't make it to the First 11 concert or the Castellos concert or anything else in that following week. So yeah, but the car's fixed now, so I drive to the dispensary, so I no longer walk to this one and make those videos. So yeah, that is why a brief change in the content. But I liked making those sped up walking videos. I might figure out another place to walk nearby and do that, or I can drive someplace and walk and make someplace. But anyway, so there. Yeah, there's a little explanation to the recent change in content. All right, let's turn around. All right, wait, this is the end of the block here. A little busy down here. Look at all this traffic. Let's turn around, man. Come on, that's right. Come on. Let's go. Bring it. Turn around. Let's go back. Good boy. Come on.